Hello students, today in this video I will explain you exercise 5th C. So question number first is replacement set is given here. Replacement set is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7. So what is replacement set? What is the meaning of this replacement set? Replacement set is a set from which you have to select the values of the variables. Variables means alphabet. Here so many parts I have written here, 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions are here. Here in each and every part you will observe alphabet is coming, X. And in every question either alphabet X is coming or here in this question alphabet N is coming. So what is the replacement set? Replacement set is a set from which we have to select the value of the variables. So in order to find the value of these alphabet, we have to select the answer from this replacement set. Now first question, first part is X less than 2. This is the symbol of less than. X is less than 2. So in order to write the answer of this, you have to take the help of this replacement set. So what is the answer? Less than 2. Which numbers are here? Less than 2, 0 and 1. So final answer of this question is 0 and 1. So this is the answer of part number first. Now see another part, part number third. X less than equal to 4. X is less than equal to 4. Now less than equal to 4 is coming. Equal to sign means 4 also you have to take. And you have to select the answer from the replacement set. So we can say that answer of X is less than equal to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 as well as 4. So these are the values of X, and these all values we have to select from the replacement set. So X is less than equal to 4. So less than 4 numbers are 0, 1, 2 and 3, but equal to sign is coming, so that's why we will take 4 also. Now see another part, part number 6. 12 minus X greater than 16. So in this question what you have to do, first of all we will make the variable alone. We will remove this number. This number we will take on right hand side. Here it is plus 12. When we will bring on right hand side, it will become minus 12. So 16 minus 12 we will write there. But on the left hand, what is the remaining term? Remaining term is minus X. Here no number is coming, that's why we will take 1. Since no number is written here, so we will take 1 here. Now minus 1x. Here in between minus 1 and x, no sign is coming. That means here it is multiply. So first of all we will write as it is, minus 1x is greater than 16 minus 12 we will do first. 16 minus 12 answer is 4. Now between minus 1 and x no sign is coming, that's why we will take here multiply. So multiply minus 1 will come on right hand side and it will be written in divide. And here in this you have to use one rule. These all are the inequations. These are called linear inequations. These all equations are known as linear inequations, and these are the symbols. Here we had used less than sign. Here we had used less than equal to sign. These all are the symbols of inequality. These all are known as symbols of inequality. So here in these linear inequation, what you have to do, one rule is there. Whenever we will divide any number with negative number, here it is minus 1. When we will bring on right hand side, it will come in divide. So the rule is, whenever you will divide any number with the negative number, negative integer, then the sign of the inequality will get changed. Because we are bringing this minus 1 in divide. So the rule is, whenever we will divide any number with a negative integer, so the sign of the inequality will get reversed. It is greater than sign, we will change it and we will write it as less than sign. And on the left hand, what is the remaining term? X. Minus 1 we had brought to right side in the divide. So because of this minus number, we will change the sign of inequality. Now X less than 4 divide minus 1. When will divide this 4 with minus 1, answer will be minus 4. Now we have to write the final answer. Final answer, x less than minus 4. We have to write x less than minus 4. So here you will observe no number is there which is less than minus 4. Less than minus 4 we have to write. Less than minus 4 is minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. These all are the numbers which are less than 4. But in the replacement set, these all numbers are not given. So we will write it as it is a empty set. We will write it is empty set, that means no solution. So here we will write no solution. Why no solution? Because in the replacement set only numbers from 0 to 7 are given, but we need less than minus 4. So less than minus 4 are minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. These all are not there in the replacement set. That's why we will write no solution. So like this you have to do part number 6. Now see another part. Part number 12. Part. Fifteen divide 2, 15 upon 2 less than 2x plus 5 upon 2. So here in these two numbers alphabet is not there. So what we will do? Plus 5 upon 2 we will bring on left hand. Plus 5 upon 2 we will bring on left hand. So it will become 15 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2 will be written as minus 5 upon 2. 2x. We will write 2x as it is. Now we will take the LCM. 2 and 2 LCM will be 2. 2 1 ja 2, 1 into 15, 15 minus 2 1 ja 2, 1 into 5 is 5. 2x. 15 minus 5 will be 10 upon 2. This one we will write as it is. These two will get cancelled with a table of 2. So here we are getting this one, this equation we got. Now what we will do? We will change it. This x variable is coming on right hand. We will bring it on left hand. So you have to remember one thing. When we will bring this 2x on left hand, what is the sign of inequality here? 2x is greater. Here 2x की तरफ कैसा साइन आ रहा है? ओपन साइन is coming. So we will interchange it और यहाँ लाएंगे on left hand side. When we will bring here also we have to put same sign. Which sign? Open sign, greater than sign. So here also we will put greater than sign 5, or we will write. We are interchanging it. We are writing it like this. Now this 2 is in multiply here. When we will bring on the right hand side, it will come in divide. X is greater than 5 divide 2, and 5 divided by 2 answer is x is greater than 2.5. So here we are getting x is greater than 2.5. So number greater than 2.5 we will search here in the replacement side. Greater than 2.5 is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the final answer is, we will write here final answer 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is your final answer of part number 12. Now see another part number 14. Part. N plus 2 greater than 3n minus 1 upon 2. So in this question, first of all, what you will do? Here on the right hand side you will observe upon 2 is written. So this 2 is in divide. On left hand side this 2 will come in multiply. So we will write it as 2 multiply n plus 2. We have to take the bracket. Greater than 3n minus 1 as it is. Now we will open the bracket here. 2 into n, 2n, plus 2 into 2, 4, greater than 3n minus 1. Now 3n we will bring on left hand. So 2n plus 3n, when it will be written on left hand, we will write it as minus 3n. And 4 will come on right hand. So this sign of inequality we will write as it is. Plus 4 will come on right hand, it will become minus 4. And this minus 1 we will write as it is. 2n minus 3n will be minus 1n. Greater than minus 4 and minus 1, answer is minus 5. Now minus 1 and n, between these two things multiply sign we will take. So this multiply 1 will come on right hand side. So here we will write minus 5 divide minus 1. And in the previous question I explained you one rule. Whenever we will divide the number with negative number, here we are dividing this minus 5 with negative number. Minus 1 is there in the divide. So what we will do, we will change the sign of inequality. So this sign we will change it and we will write like this. On the left hand, what is the remaining term? N. Minus and minus will get cancelled. So n is less than 5 divided 1. 5 divided 1 will be 5. So here we are getting n is less than 5. And less than 5 answer, we have to search from replacement set. Replacement set is this. Less than 5 we have to write. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the solution set. This is the solution set of this part number 14. So like this you have to do question number first, all the remaining parts. Now come to question number second. Second question. Represent the solution set graphically. You have to show graphically. Graphically means you have to draw number line. Part number second. Second question, second. Minus 3 plus x greater than equal to 1 upon 2 where x belongs to n. N means natural number. So first of all we will solve it. Minus 3 plus x greater than equal to 1 upon 2. So first of all what we will do, this minus 3 we will bring on right hand side. So on the left hand x is remaining. X greater than equal to 1 upon 2, minus 3 will become plus 3. Here we will take LCM. X greater than equal to LCM, 2 and 1 LCM will be 2. Here we will get 1 plus 6. So x is greater than equal to 7 upon 2. That means x is greater than equal to 3.5. Now in this question replacement set is not given. So what we will do? Here x is natural number. Here it is written x belong to natural number. So what we will do? Natural number we have to write. Natural numbers are those numbers which are starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. But here it is x is greater than equal to 3.5. We have to take greater than equal to 3.5. Equal to means 3.5 also we will take. But in the natural number we are not taking decimal number. This is the decimal number. So in natural number we will not take this 3.5. Greater than 3.5 we will take. So final answer is 4, 5, 6. Up to which number we have to take? It is not mentioned in the question. So natural numbers are infinite. So all those natural numbers will come under this solution. Now we will draw the number line. Number line. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the left hand we have to take negative number. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now solution set we had already written here 4, 5, 6 and so on. So on 4 we will put one colored circle, 5 also, 6 also, 7 also, and answer is not over. In the answer so many natural numbers are there, so we will put dot dot, so on. This means it will goes on like this only. So this is the answer of second question, second part. Now see part number fourth part. 4p greater than minus 12 and p belong to integer. P belong to integer. So first of all we will solve it. 4p greater than minus 12. This 4 is in multiply. When we will bring on right hand, it will come in divide. P greater than minus 12 divide 4. Here we will not change the sign of inequality. Why we will not change the sign? Why we will not change this sign? Because in the divide we are not taking negative number. It is positive number. When minus will be there, then we have to change the sign of this inequality. Now these two will get cancelled. Minus 3. So p is greater than minus 3. Now answer we will write. Greater than minus 3. Which number is greater than minus 3? Minus 2 is greater. We have to write integers. P belong to integers. Integers are positive numbers also, negative numbers also, and 0 also. 0 is also an integer. Now we have to write the integers greater than minus 3. So greater than minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Up to which number we have to write? It is not mentioned. So we will put so on. Now we have to show graphically. Graphically means number line. So we will draw one number line here. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this number line we will draw. Now we have to show these numbers. Minus 2 we will put circle. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. All the answers after these, whatever number will come, all will come under the category of natural integers. Integer. So we have to take all the values. So that's why we are putting here dot 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 sign. So this is the solution of this question number second, fourth part. Now all of you see question number fifth, first part. Adding is solve and show graphically. We have to draw the number line also. Question is 4 less than minus bracket x plus 2 9. This is the question. Here in this question you will observe two sign of inequality are coming, double. Till now we had done the question in which only one sign of inequality was there. But now here two sign of inequality are coming. So what we have to do? First of all we will solve this much part. So we will write here 4 less than minus x plus 2. After solving this part, we will solve, we will leave this inequality. Now we will solve this one, this much part. So minus bracket x plus 2 less than 9. Separately we will solve them. First of all, starting from here up to here. Now this inequality we will leave. We will solve this much part. Now we have to open the bracket here. 4 minus plus minus x minus plus minus 2. Now this x we will bring on left hand. So minus x will become plus x. This sign we will write as it is. 4 will come on right hand. It will become minus 4 minus 2. So x less than minus 6. Now we will come to this part. Minus plus minus x minus plus minus 2 less than 9. Minus 2 we will bring on right hand. So minus x 9 minus 2 will become plus 2. Here with x no number is written, so we will take 1, and in between no sign is coming, so we will take multiply sign. Now this minus 1 is in multiply. On right hand side it will come in divide. But before that we will add them. 9 plus 2 11. minus 1 into x. Now this minus 1 will come in divide. 11 divide minus 1. And here you have to use the rule. What is the rule? Whenever we will divide any number with negative number, you have to change the sign of inequality. This sign will get reversed, and here on the left hand we will get x. Remaining term is x. Now x is greater than 11 divide minus 1. 11 divide minus 1, answer will be minus 11. Now we have to combine these two equations. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. We will combine these two equations. So here you have to write from equation 1 and 2. First equation we are getting x is less than minus 6. X is less than minus 6, and here we are getting x is greater than minus 11. So we will combine it. We have to write x less than, near the x what sign I have put? Closed sign. So x is less than, here it is closed sign. X is less than minus 6. Here we will put open sign. X open sign is coming. Here it is open sign. X is greater than minus 11. This is the final equation. This is the final equation. Here it is written x belong to integer. X belong to integer means you can take positive number as well as you can take negative number. So between minus 6 and minus 11 we have to take all the integers. Minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. We will not take minus 11. Why we will not take minus 11? Because this is x greater than minus 11. Here equal sign is not coming. Here equal sign is not coming. That's why we will not take minus 11. We have to take the numbers between minus 6 and minus 11. Now this is the final solution. We have to draw number line. We will draw number line. Minus 8. We will start. What are the solution? Solution is minus 7 to minus 10. So we will start from here. Minus 5, minus 6. In the negative we have to take backward counting. Left पे चलेंगे. Minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12. So we have to show the integers. Minus 7 integer, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. So this is your final answer of this question number 5, first part. Now see another part. Another part is part number third part. This is the question. First of all, two double inequality are coming. We will take this much part. 0 less than equal to 4 minus x upon 2. On the right hand we will take next part. 4 minus x upon 2. We will leave it. इसको छोड़ देंगे. 4 minus x upon 2 less than 2. Now first of all what we have to do? This 2 is in divide. On left hand it will come in multiply. So 0 less than equal to 4 minus x. Minus x will come on left hand, so it will become plus x. X less than equal to 4. This is the equation 1. We will solve it also. This will come in multiply. So 2 multiply 2. 4 minus x. Now 2 multiply 2 will be 4. and here it is 4 minus x. 4 will come on right hand, so it will become minus 4. So here we will write 4 minus 4. On the left hand we are having minus x. No number is coming here, so we will take 1 and we will put here multiply sign. These two are in multiplication. 4 minus 4 will be 0. 4 minus 4 will be 0, and this one we will write as it is, minus 1 into x. Now this minus 1 we will bring in divide, and the rule is when we will divide any number with negative number we will divide, then the sign of the inequality will get changed. We have to reverse this sign. This sign we will reverse. In place of this sign we will put like this, and here remaining is x. So on dividing it we will get x greater than 0. 0 divided minus 1, answer will be 0 only. Now this is your equation number 2. Now we will combine both the equation, first and second. So from equation 1 and 2 we are getting x is less than equal to 4. X less than equal to 4. X open sign is coming. So here we will put x open sign. X is greater than 0. So what is the final answer? X is greater than 0 and less than equal to 4. But here you will observe in the question it is given x belong to R. What is R? R means real number. Real number. So real number line, how you will draw? We will not write the solution here like this. Greater than 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We will not write the solution in this question like this. Why? Because these are natural number. These are not real. Real number, but what are real number? Real में सारे number आते हैं. Between 1 and 2, so many numbers are there. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.11, 1.12, 1.13. These all are real numbers. So infinite real numbers are there between two numbers. So we will not be able to write all the real numbers. So that's why we will not write like this. This is the wrong way. These numbers are whole number. These numbers are natural number. These are integer. But we will not call them it is a real number. We will call them it is these are real. But between them so many real numbers are there, and we are not writing those real numbers. So that's why no need to write this solution like this. The solution of real number we will show on number line only. इसका आंसर आपको नंबर लाइन पे ही दिखाना है बस. तो नंबर लाइन बनाएंगे. Here we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2. So we have to start from 0. Here it is 0. Here we will put one circle. We will not fill it. We will just make one empty circle. Now next number is 4. 4 also we will put one circle. We will not fill it. Now when you have to fill it, इसके लिए आपको करना क्या है? आपको fill कब करना है? When you have to colored it. इसको colored तब करना है जब साइन के नीचे इक्वल का साइन हो. 0, x is greater than 0. इसमें इक्वल का साइन नहीं है. So we will not color it. इसको कलर नहीं करना. x is less than equal to 4. तो x less than equal to आ रहा है. Equal to is coming, so we will fill it. तो फिल आपको तब करना है जब वैल्यू इक्वल टू में हो, इंक्लूड हो. ओके. सो रियल नंबर लाइन इसके और इसके बीच के सारी वैल्यूज की है. तो इसमें भी आप क्या करेंगे? डार्क. ऐसे जैसे डार्क करें. Why we will dark it? Because all the numbers which are coming between 0 and 4 जो नंबर लाइन पे दिखाई भी नहीं दे रहे हैं. आपको नंबर लाइन पे दिखाई क्या दे रहे हैं? आपको नंबर लाइन पे दिखाई दे रहे हैं 1, 2, 3. You can see these numbers. But so many numbers are there which are not written on number line. जो 1 और 2 के बीच में आते हैं, 2 और 3 के बीच में आता है, वो सब भी क्या है? रियल नंबर है. तो वो सारे के सारे लेने हैं. दैट्स वाई इस पे आपको प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस की तरह नहीं करना है जिसमें आपने नेचुरल नंबर होल नंबर में करा था. रियल नंबर लाइन ऐसे ही बनानी है. So this is the final solution of this question number 5th, third part. Now see question number 5th, fourth part. Fourth part. Fifth question, fourth part. Minus 4 less than equal to minus 2x plus a less than a. This is the question. First of all, we will solve these two. Minus 4 less than equal to minus 2 bracket x plus a. First of all, what you will do? This minus 2 is in multiply. So we will multiply it, we will open the bracket. Minus 4 less than equal to minus plus minus 2x minus plus minus 16. Next step, x term we will bring on left hand and constant term we will bring on right hand. So minus 2x will become plus 2x, minus 4 will come on right hand, so it will become plus 4, and minus 16 will write as it is. So 2x less than equal to, when we will solve it, we will get minus 12. So x less than equal to, this 2 will come and divide, so minus 12 divide 2, 2 6 are, so minus 6 we are getting. So x is less than equal to minus 6. Now we will solve next part, this much. Minus 2 x plus 8 less than 8. We will open the bracket. Minus 2x plus minus 2 8 is 16. Next step, minus 16 will go on right hand, so it will become plus 16, and on the left hand we are having minus 2x. So minus 2x is less than 16 plus 8, 24. Now in the next step, here no sign is there, that means multiply. So minus 2 will come in divide. So here we are dividing 24 with a negative number. So we have to change this sign. This sign will get reversed, and here we are having x. Now 2 1 ja, 2 12 ja, and here it will be minus 1 because minus sign is also there. So on dividing it, finally we are getting x is greater than minus 12. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Now we will combine both equations from equation 1 and 2. We will combine them. X greater than equal to minus 6. Sorry. X is greater than equal to minus 6, and this is x is greater than, here I had written wrong, wait, x is greater than minus 12, x, closed sign is coming, closed means less, x is less than equal to minus 6. So we have to write the numbers between minus 12 and minus 6, but the number line is real number line, so we will show the answer on number line only. So we have to draw the number line now. Minus 6 to minus 12. So we will start from minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13. This is the number line. We have to start from minus 12. This is minus 12. We will draw one circle. Minus 6. Here it is minus 6. We will draw one circle. Now we have to check the sign of inequality. Here equal sign is not coming. So on 12 the circle will be empty. Empty रहेगा. 6 वाले में sign में equal आ रहा है. This is equal sign. So we have to color it. इसको fill करेंगे. एंड ऑल द नंबर्स विच आर कमिंग बिटवीन दीज टू वैल्यू -12 से -6 तक, वो सारी वैल्यू आप कैसे दिखाएंगे, एक डार्क लाइन से शो करेंगे. सो दिस इज द फाइनल नंबर लाइन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th पार्ट. तो आपको कहाँ से कहाँ तक लेने हैं, -12 से लेकर -6 तक. So like this you have to do all the remaining part of this exercise. So now this exercise is over. You have to finish this exercise in your fair notebook.